Saving time with Oracle Clips.
Welcome to this video clip introducing the Image Builder tool for Oracle Linux. Image Builder enables you to create customized images of Oracle Linux that you can deploy on different platforms such as the cloud, bare metal systems, virtual machines. The custom images can be generated in various formats, such as TAR, ISO, QCOW2, and more. Image Builder is installed as a separate package for Oracle Linux. It's not installed by default, but is available from the default Oracle Linux AppStream repository. Image Builder operates from the command line, but can also be managed from the Cockpit web console to create custom Oracle Linux images. Image Builder doesn't use the system repositories defined in the /etc/yum.repos.d directory for downloading packages. The tool creates its own repository files in JSON format for downloading packages needed to create the new custom images. During installation, new repository definitions for use with the Image Builder tool are automatically installed in the directory /usr/share/osbuild-composer/repositories. You can also create your own custom repository files for use with the Image Builder tool. To use Image Builder, you need to familiarize yourself with the following concepts: blueprints, customizations, and composer images. To create an image, you first create a blueprint. This is a Tom's Obvious Minimal Language or TOML file containing block entries that define various specifications for images. Two types of block entries are used in the file: packages and customizations. The packages heading defines packages or package groups to be downloaded for the image. Individual packages require the package name and version. For package groups, it requires only the name of the package group, but entered under a separate groups heading. The customizations are blueprint entries that are not related to packages. These include items such as services to be enabled and disabled, users and groups, SSH keys, partitioning, and more. You can read more about the formatting in the blueprint format section of the documentation. And finally, images created by the tool using the named blueprint file are called composer images. Blueprint-defined packages are automatically installed, and associated services are enabled when the image is deployed. So when deploying a custom image, the stages are: create a blueprint file or edit an existing blueprint file, import the blueprint file into the Image Builder tool, create the image based on the blueprint, download the resulting image, and finally deploy the new image to the target system, such as cloud environment, virtual machine, etc. And remember, all of this can be done from the command line or the Cockpit web console. So that's a quick introduction to the Image Builder tool for Oracle Linux.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.